This is the Lowepro Adventura SH162. I just recently got a Nikon Z30 mirrorless camera along with an extra lens, the 50 to 250 millimeter zoom lens, and I needed a bag for it, so this is the one I chose. Let's take a closer look at the bag and see how everything fits. This bag is the larger of the Adventura line. It's supposed to apparently fit a camera, a lens, and a flash. It has a flap here on the front that has a pocket. So there's just a smaller pocket here in the front that snaps closed. Around the sides there's some spring-loaded pockets, looks like on both sides, and some loops on the back as well that you can store things on. The bottom is just got some little almost rubberized feet and a bit of protection there, so I guess it doesn't wear through. And then in the main pocket, it's just a zip at the back here to get into the main pocket. And inside there is the strap that comes with it. It's tied to it. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. There's a pouch of Desiccant. Also on the top of the inside compartment there's another zippered pouch and a spot specifically for SD cards. Kind of funny, I don't know if you can read that, but it says 32 gigabyte. Don't know why they picked that number in particular, but interesting enough. I guess you could also probably slip something through there, but I think the intent is to put it inside the little extra pouch there. And there's two dividers that are Velcroed. Nice soft lining inside, and fairly decent size. So we'll just remove the strap and then try and arrange this to fit the camera stuff. Alright, I've got the strap removed and rearranged the dividers to make space for the camera. So have it so the camera can slide down in there like that. So nice fit and lots of depth here if you had a larger lens on. There's space as well then for my zoom lens, and actually you could almost fit a smaller lens in here as well. And then there's another slot where I can stick some of the accessories. So fair to say that this would fit a relatively small mirrorless camera, a lens, and a flash in here. You might actually not use the dividers quite in this arrangement if you were to add a flash. I have my older SB600 speedlight from my other camera and it does fit in here with it. It would be nice if there was dividers that could run this way in the bag. Potentially you could add that aftermarket with some sort of other accessory dividers, but you do get a lens, a flash, and a camera that would fit in here, even a camera with a bigger lens. So enough space for all of the things that you would normally carry, and that's why I went with the 160 over some of the smaller sizes. Is you tend to have a lot of accessories when it comes to cameras, cables, flashes, other lenses, lights, little tripods, all of those sort of things. So it's nice to have that little bit extra space. So I also have my larger Nikon D80 here. This is usually stored in another Lowepro bag. This is the Nova 190 all-weather, but I wanted to bring this out for a comparison so you can see just how much bigger this is than the Z30 that I just got. And let's take a look at how that fits into the new Adventura bag. So it does fit vertically in there. The strap is a little bit to wrap around it there, but it does fit in there, as you can see, and just barely clears the top. So the bag will zip, but you can actually feel the little bit of the lens poking out the top here. So if you do have a larger, say, full frame camera, this might not be the bag for you. But it does fit, and maybe as a smaller, more portable bag, it wouldn't be a bad option. Alright, and just with the strap installed here, there is a padded section in the middle, two adjustments there, and that's at the shortest it will go. So a nice carry strap anyway that also comes with this bag, in addition to the central handle that you can use to pick it up directly. Anyway, that's my quick walkthrough of the Lowepro Adventura SH162. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. And as always, thanks for watching.